Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 6 to the power of x multiplied by 6 to the power of x. This is equal to 54. So what is the value of x given that x is not equal to 0? So let's prevent the solution from here. So this exponential equation is in the form of a to the power of n times a to the power of m, which can be expressed as a to the power of n plus m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 6 to the power of x plus x. This is equal to 54. So this implies that here we have 6 to the power of x plus x. This is 2x. This is equal to 54. To solve for x here, we introduce logarithm on both sides such that we have log 6 to the power of 2x. This is equal to log 54. The next step is that log 6 to the power of 2x. This is in the form of log a to the power of n, which can be expressed as n log a. Applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 6 to the power of 2x becomes 2x log 6. This is equal to log 54. So let's divide both sides by log 6. Also here we have log 6. So let's simplify log 6 and log 6 here, so that now 2x is equal to log 54 divided by log 6. The next step is that we can express 54 basically as 9 times 6. So that now here we have 2x. This is equal to log 9 multiplied by 6 divided by log 6. The next step from here is that log 9 times 6, this is in the form of log a times b, which essentially we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then this implies that we have 2x, this is equal to log 9 divided by log 6. Then plus here we have log 6 divided by log 6. Now we have log 9 divided by log 9. This simplifies, so this is 1. So that now we have 2x, this is 1, plus this is log 9 divided by log 6. The next step from here, we can express 9 basically as 3 to the power of 2. So that now we have 2x, this is equal to 1, plus this is log 3 to the power of 2 divided by log 6. Now, the next step from here, let's apply the power rule property here, so that now 2x is equal to 1 plus log 3 to the power of 2 becomes 2 log 3 divided by log 6. So that now from here we have 2x, this is equal to 1 plus 2. Now log 3 divided by log 6, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So let's apply this logarithm property, so that here we have 2 log 3 to base 6. The next step is to divide both sides by 2, so that now we have that x is equal to half plus 2 over 2, then log 3 to base 6. So let's simplify here. 2 and 2 simplifies, so that now x is equal to half plus this is log 3 to base 6. So now this is the value of x from here. The next step is to verify. So let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have that 6 to the power of x times 6 to the power of x. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. This exponential equation is in the form of a to the power of n times a to the power of m, and this can be expressed as a to the power of n plus m. Applying this property, then here we have 6 to the power of x plus x. This should give us a value of 54. So here we have 6 to the power of x plus x, and this is 2x. This should give us a value of 54. Substituting the value of x here, this implies we have 6 to the power of 2 multiplied by the value of x, which is half, then plus log 3 to base 6. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. Now let's open the parentheses here. So we have 2 times half, so this simplifies. So we have 1 plus, now here we have 2 times log 3 to base 6, so this becomes 2 log 3 to base 6. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. The next step is that 2 is a power here, so this means we can express this as 6 raised to the power of 1 plus log 3 to the power of 2, then to base 6. This should give us a value of 54. The next step is that 6 to the power of 1 plus log 3 to the power of 2 to base 6. This is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, and this can be expressed as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 6 to the power of 1 times 6 to the power of log 3 to the power of 2 to base 6. This should give us a value of 54. Now, 6 to the power of log 3 to the power of 2 to base 6. This is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a, and this essentially is equal to b. Let's apply this property so that now 6 to the power of log 3 squared to base 6, this is equal to 3 squared, which is equal to 9. Substituting this 9 here, then this implies that we have 6 multiplied by 9. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. So let's check if this is true. 9 times 6, this is equal to 54. And actually this is equal to 54. And this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x, which essentially is equal to a half plus log 3 to base 6, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Kindly like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.